Hello everybody, and I'm gonna show you um I I have an experiment, but do you notice that I use very small plate for my experiment? It is because I'm used to it and I'm fun with it. Okay, now my experiment just need oil for our hair, not for cooking, and shampoo. I think we can put this in our hair, but I'm afraid because I think it makes our hair ugly. So it's only a experiment. You just put the oil here in the plate and the shampoo.
Any kind of shampoo.
You just need
Any
um
kind of oil and any kind of shampoo.
don't use any kind of oil because you only need
Baby
um
oil.
oil for your hair. Dili lagi ni baby oil.
Oil man. Wala. Pwede naman na oil na mag-uyab na sa buhok.
And we're gonna stir it. Now it is our finished product. Happy crafting. Bye. Bye. Thank you. Enjoy.